This is the logic analyzer module. This module is called AL01 and it provides 4 inputs digital channels. Together with these channels we have also a reference signal that is generated by the oscilloscope. This signal is a square wave with frequency 1 kHz, and we can use this to test the input of the logic analyzer. By connecting the analog channel of the oscilloscope to the reference signal, we can already see this signal on the software. We can see it is a 1 kHz signal. Now we can just connect the same reference signal to one digital input. As we can see in the software, the square wave appears on the black area below the analog channel. We can also add the other channels to the same reference signal. This is the second channel. Now we try to connect also the third channel. As we can see from the software, the same digital signal will appear on the other digital channels in the black area. Now we have 3 digital channels and 1 analog channel connected. We can connect also the last digital channel now. And we can see in the software that also the fourth channel appear. On the software we can also activate or deactivate the black panel that show the digital inputs. Now we can use the software to check the timing of this signal. By using a vertical cursor, we can see that all the channels are synchronized, including the analog channel.